So, Black Friday is right around the corner, and I thought to myself, is this the best time to buy the Sony A7 III? I have been eyeing the camera for a little while now, so I did some math and research, and I think I have an answer to that question. There has been a lot of movement going on regarding Sony camera pricing, and not only that. As you all know, recently A7C was released, although we all were hoping for the A7 IV instead. As far as it seems, most likely the A7 IV will only be released in the third quarter of 2021. So the question is very relevant. Is it a good time to buy A7 III now? And is there a chance that we are gonna get an amazing price on Black Friday? My answer to both of these questions is most likely yes. Well, obviously, I'm not a magician nor a soothsayer, prognosticator, futurist. I don't know the word in English, the one who predicts the future. I'm not that, but here is my logical thinking. First, the A7 III and A7C are very similar cameras, and obviously Sony wants to boost the A7C sales. However, since the A7 III is still produced, they don't want to lose those sales either. Since the pricing was very similar, recently Alpha Universe website in US announced a huge sale of tons of cameras and lenses. One of the main cameras they are promoting there is the A7 III. Besides, A7 III has kept its price unchanged almost for the last 2 years. Here in Denmark, in the first 8 months of its release, the price was around 2,800, but after that it has been stuck at 2,300. And they had a reason, because it is an amazing camera, and until now, neither the A7S III was out nor the A7C, which could in some way, let's say, compete for the same target audience. Now we are seeing some price drops in certain countries since the two cameras I just mentioned came out. By the way, 2 or 3 months ago, at the end of the summer, I spotted an article where Amazon in the UK slashed the A7 III price from roughly 2,600 to 2,100 USD. I know the price of the camera here in Europe is insanely high compared to the US. However, the price drop was huge. It was about 500 bucks. But just before making this video, I checked the prices again and it's back to the previous levels here in Europe. And unfortunately, the Alpha Universe discount does not apply here. So prices definitely move up and down, and especially in the few last months. So I really believe it is very likely that the price will drop on Black Friday, at least in Europe for sure. But what about the US? Will the price be even lower for what the Alpha Universe offers now? Well, if all of that does come true and prices do get lower than they are right now, then despite the fact that in less than 9 months the A7 IV will come out, I would say that getting A7 III is a good choice. Besides, due to COVID-19, there always can be delays or other problems with the launch of the new model. So it's not even certain when the A7 IV will come out. And A7 III will probably hold a good resale value, since most likely A7 IV will be more than 2,500 and it will be out of reach for most people. Also, after the Black Friday, A7 III price will probably spike up a bit again. So if you're looking for an upgrade from A6000 series or A7 II, Black Friday deal might just be worth waiting for. Let me know in the comments what's your prediction, and let's see who gets the most accurate price. As always, I'm Tom Surjeks, and of course, I will see you all in the next video. Now, let's go get some coffee.